Say bye, Mr. Sharp.
Can you say bye, Mr. Sharp? You say just say bye. Don't say bye, Mr.
All right,
Sharp.
say bye.
Bye.
Veteran journalist and district constable Michael Sharp has died. All of that and more coming up.
Good evening and welcome to Your Issues Live. I'm Michael Sharp.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
Chaddy Marie TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Marie. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So if for the first time you check out the Chaddy Marie TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. Now people, I know it's been a while and me apologize for it. It's just that me have some little something I deal with if you listen closely. When we hear some pounding and some hammering and all sort of machine work. But we there now and we there to give you this update. So we are going to talk about the passing of Michael Sharp. I feel like say me I go kick off the review with that story, but people, please me I beg you stick around cause me have some more interesting topics to talk about. Alright? Prominent journalist and former television Jamaica news anchor Michael Sharp has died. The veteran broadcaster died early Tuesday morning. He was 65. Reports are that Sharp has been battling illness for some time. He underwent heart surgery in 2020 and was hospitalized last month. He was reported to be recovering but sadly passed away. At the time of his death, Sharp was the news operations manager at the Jamaica News Network, a member of the RGR Gleaner Communications Group. So Michael Sharp got ill after taking the vaccine. Can't believe so we are talking about that something. Anyway, Michael Sharp got ill after taking the vaccine. And he went in the hospital, developed COVID-like symptoms, and I guess him just never recover from that. So it has come to my attention that the nurse who administered the vaccine on Michael Sharp on that blessed day has been getting a lot of threats. And me I go make the CMO explain what's going on.
It really and truly, is very, very disheartening to hear that the nurse who administered the vaccine has been getting threats and has been really been abused verbally and is suffering emotionally because of the kind of result that persons would have taken it upon themselves to call her, to WhatsApp her. And it's very frightening for us in the medical field. We have to deal with a lot of things.
So people, it's like more explain and show certain things surrounding this Michael Sharp death and surrounding everything, but I don't know it already. It's very hard to talk certain things on social media. You see me? Including that topic. I hope you not pick sense out of nonsense, so me I say. And remember, I was always one of those persons that say, yo, I am for the big V and I'll take it anytime it become available for me and them thing there. Which I still feel like I'll take it, but there's a lot of shady stuff going on. So me I beg you people, go on, go watch that interview with the CMO. It's titled on YouTube, Michael Sharp dies after testing, for COVID-19. You know what going right there. So alright. So just go up on YouTube, type in that it's on the Gleaner page. The Gleaner did that interview. Yo, John was that. It's like a lady attack a bag of gibberish still. Anyway, we don't want to put nothing in nobody's head. Go over there and check it out for yourself. Let's move on. So after news broke that Michael Sharp has died, everybody has say, yo, they miss Michael Sharp and sleep well and, RIP and them thing there. Foota hype on the other hand come out and say a different story. No, me I go play a snippet of what Foota hype had to say.
No, me not talk this to Michael Sharp here. Me talk it for only here where I come attack me through my comment on Sparks post. You understand? Through my comment on Sparks post, the whole I not can talk about. What do you mean, why me talk about it? Nobody talk about it when Michael Sharp alive to him know me not like him. I never secret. Me and him nearly fight when I Uptown Mondays already. What do you mean? What do you know about me? Me and him nearly fight when I Uptown Mondays. Physical fight. Them and they walk and terrorize dancehall, bitch. Terrorize dancehall, bitch. Terrorize dancehall, bitch. I want to know. Let me tell you something. Me not pay a deal for going to high company, you know. Who don't like me just don't like me, you know. So it going on. As when me say condolences to him family. But me not like Michael Sharp. Me not no respect for Michael Sharp. So I know who I say if you have some respect. Me not no respect for Michael Sharp. Michael Sharp never have no respect for dancehall and for entertainment and for selector well-being and how we eat the food. I just choose some man and coward. Every selector, every established selector from Mataran to Lynx, to Boom Boom, to Atterize, to Bishop, to Sky Juice, to Stone Love, to Metro Me, everybody can vouch and join the live here and know say that the man they make with life miserable. That man there make with life miserable. If I him alone, Oshana, Omaria, Adori, and he and dead for hungry. And that me I tell you no. You now see me get up and get up board on a Michael Sharp. And see what him do again. He gonna take vaccine and I do video. But yes, him take vaccine and if he take vaccine, I see it kill him there. And I mean kill him. He sacrificed himself. He sacrificed himself to push a narrative where the government are push on the people. That's why the ancestors them work.
Hey, one thing with Foota, you know, him a go talk and him a go talk exactly what they on him mind. Anyway, still, that not have nothing to do with me. On behalf of the entire Chaddy TV team, we want to say condolences goes out to the family and friends of Michael Sharp. Alright? Rest in peace. He was a great journalist. So people, Chuck Fender find himself under a little fire, you know, a little controversy we are going surrounding Jada Kingdom and Jada Kingdom fans. A matter of fact, people on the internet. They don't necessarily have to be fans of Jada Kingdom. So apparently, Chuck Fender did a song with Jada Kingdom. At the time, Jada Kingdom name was Jada K. And at the time, she was 15. Now Pink Wall bring this story to a lot of people attention because people never really didn't know say Jada Kingdom and Chuck Fender did do a song. And a matter of fact, I never know as well. So the people must say, yo, what kind of sexual song that for a 15-year-old for do with a big man? And people, me gonna play a small snippet of that song and you be the judge. A matter of fact, after this review done, I want to go on over, just type in Chuck Fender Jada K in YouTube and you will find the song.
I wanna do the things you like, but I need your love tonight. Receive me, baby, receive me.
Now people, that is just a snippet of the song. Would I really wanted to go check out the full song and tell me what you want to get from the full song. Now, Chuck Fender made a comment, you know, forward out and defend himself against the whole allegation and the whole rumor. Cause you know how them make it look like. Them make it look like say Chuck was a pervert. Anyway, Chuck told Dancehall Mag this, and I quote, I did that song 7 years ago with Jada. When I saw Jada, I knew she was cut above the rest. I used to bring her to studio. I helped to mold her and groom her. There was nothing sexually or dirty about the relationship. It was all business. Everything I did with her, I spoke to her mother on each occasion. When I picked her up at school to go to studio, I talked to the principal at Vauxhall and even her farm teacher. It was under strict supervision of adults. Even when I did the video, you realize I didn't embrace her. I told the director that she was underage and I don't want to bring the song to that level. Even thought it had a romantic feel. She wasn't singing to me just from the perspective of a teenager thinking about love.
Night I come but me no want sleep. The only am frost but the rest not got cheat all me need you.
Well, what I can say from this song, cause me listen to the full song, Jada Kingdom have talent from a longer time. So probably that's why Chuck Fender did want to expose her to the world. From them time they make the world see her talent and thing. But probably him never do it in a right way, according to what people I say. Now me now go comment on this issue. More you for comment in the comment section. Alright. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. We're gone.